Hi, I'm Terri Tomlinson. I am a makeup artist and educator and the creator of the Flesh Tone Color Wheel. And this is my model, Jade. We just finished a color correction and foundation application on her using the Flesh Tone Color Wheel. One of the most powerful tools we have as makeup artists is the ability to color correct. Color correction is about using complementary colors to neutralize. What we know about complementary colors is that if you put them next to each other, they show each other off. But when you blend them together, they neutralize. Color correction is about using small amounts of product to get rid of the things we don't want in skin. It is such a powerful tool. So let me show you how we did it. So the first thing you want to do is find the discoloration on the Flesh Tone Color Wheel. And I'm using the third ring as my reference, which are the shades. And I think what I'm seeing is that this discoloration is my shade of red. I know by finding the discoloration that the opposite will be my neutralizing color, and that is the shade of green. To get this color, I'm going to use Ket Fix in Olive 7 with a little bit of shade R5 and a tiny bit of peach from my Color Theory palette, which is called the Rescue palette. And then you want to apply this to the discolored area. When you're correcting a large area, you want to go ahead and correct the entire area rather than try to do each little individual spot. The goal with correction is to neutralize. So if Jade's skin turns green here, I've overcorrected. Next, once you get your correction in place and you see that the color is neutralized, then you want to set it. I'm going to set this with Skindinavia's finishing spray. Once it dries, I'm going to come in with my foundation shade. Then I need to find Jade's skin tone on my wheel. For me, Jade is very golden, but she's a cooler gold. So I'm going to use the shade of yellow-green as my reference. And to get there, I'm going to mix the Terri Tomlinson HD Fluid Liquid Makeup in number 7 with a little bit of 6, and just gently apply that on top of your correction. Once you get it on, you want to blend it till it looks nice and smooth and beautiful and perfect. I hope this video has helped you to understand color correction better. Please let me know what you think in the comments. If you want to find out more about my classes or me or where to buy the wheel, you can visit makeuptrainingacademy.com. And I'll have more videos coming. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.